In 1990, I went to Malawi, Africa, and was with a missionary in Ekwandeni. And he took me out and he showed me the drinking water source of the village. They were just getting the water from an open source. And of course there's a lot of diseases, a lot of children die, there's cholera and other kinds of problems as a result of that. And the missionary was complaining because the government should have provided this village with safe water. And I turned to the missionary and I said, well, why don't you build the well then? And he turned to me and said, why don't you? And so we started building wells at that time. And so it's just been an absolutely extraordinary, wonderful blessing that God has put on my heart and on the hearts of a lot of people.
In November of last year, we asked you, our beloved viewers, to send in a donation to help us partner with the Marian Medical Mission. We raised enough funds to build 100 wells for several communities in Africa to have sustainable, life-giving drinking water.
We are very honored to be able to present this check to you for 100 wells, and we're glad to be a part of this with you.
On behalf of the people in Africa, Tawanga Chomeni. Tawanga Chomeni. Thank you very much.
Tawanga Chomeni. All right. And this is because of you guys. We appreciate it. We're in this together. Just like you're able to do that because a group of you got together, we're able to put the gospel out, we're able to help other ministries, and we thank you.